Hi guys, and welcome to our NAB show premiere products presentation. My name is Neil Thacker, and today I'm going to be bringing you a more in-depth look at our cloud and virtual playout solution, Cosmos. So in this presentation, I'll be covering a little bit about PlayBox Technology as a company, then diving a bit deeper into Cosmos as a product, and then finishing off by covering the after-sales support and service that customers can expect from us. So what actually is cloud playout? And it's a question that many customers still ask us to this day. And usually what they really mean is, tell me the benefits of moving my playout from an in-house server rack that works perfectly well and up into the cloud. So some of the buzzwords that come along with cloud playout are of course flexibility, scalability, relevance, and of course cost effectiveness. Essentially, cloud playout really works to virtualize all of those traditional processes of playout and channel management, and in turn comes with a lot of these benefits. Now, back in 2015, our Chief Operating Officer, Philip Neighbour, wrote a few articles and pieces that assessed the benefits of cloud playout at the time and its viability moving forwards. Now, one of the quotes that stuck out to me was that cloud-based operation completely rewrites the financial model for broadcasters. And it's true. Sometimes that sentence is all a broadcaster needs to hear to start making that switch. The fact that playout can become a flexible operating cost as opposed to an expensive lump sum at the start of a new channel or project. So we'll cover a little bit about PlayBox Technology as a company first. PlayBox Technology UK are widely recognised as the #1 channel-in-a-box or integrated playout manufacturer. Back in 2004, the company was founded, and the channel-in-a-box concept was pioneered by Don Ash and his business partners. Constant innovation and worldwide success have led PlayBox up to the point of having well over 12,000 users across the globe, with over 20,000 product licenses sold in total. Up to this day, we remain focused on fantastic support and an emphasis on research and development. Chances are, you will have already encountered one of our solutions before. So we have a number of dealers and partners based across the world, and this list is growing daily. Our research and development centre is located in Reading in the UK. Our quality testing operations are based out of the Netherlands, and our legacy solution support is based within Bulgaria. We also have a number of offices based out of the UK, Singapore, and the US. Now we'll move on to Cosmos, which is our cloud playout solution. So just as a quick comparison before we go any further, just to assess what playout options are most popularly available to broadcasters. So of course we have traditional playout, a market that is still growing and still prosperous. It's usually typified by server racks, systems integrators, and a focus on redundancy and disaster recovery. A virtualized cloud platform reduces much of the need for that capital expenditure, which allows broadcasters and content providers to outsource much of that equipment. There's a drive for more flexibility and the ability to launch channels in existing bouquets or as temporary measures on short notice and take them back down when not needed. It's all about accessibility as well. The ability to control your playout from anywhere, providing you have a capable portable computer and a firewall protected internet connection. And that leads us nicely on to Cosmos, which is our virtual cloud-based playout platform. Cosmos offers the complete solution. Functional in both private and public clouds, Cosmos covers graphics, scheduling, subtitling, ingest, quality control, management of redundancy, and of course generation of as-run logs. I could go on about the features within Cosmos for hours, but the flexible ecosystem nature means that it is happy as an add-on, or equally as happy at the centre of any broadcast workflow. So here are some of the most popular use cases that we have already seen customers use with Cosmos. Cosmos is ideal for live sport purposes, offering easy media file management, being format agnostic, and freely allowing the insertion of both pre-planned and last-minute live events. Of course, it's also great for pop-up channels, such as covering temporary events such as concerts and festivals, and allowing a channel to go live and scale up in minutes, and then be disabled quickly when no longer needed. Then, of course, Cosmos is perfect for regular linear channel usage. Schedule weeks and weeks of content with ad insertion, subtitling, graphics, and as-run logs, completely automating your channel. And just to reiterate some of those benefits that come along with having a virtual or cloud-based playout solution. Adopting a software as a service, monthly cost model makes financial sense for many broadcasters nowadays. The flexibility is a huge bonus as it allows you infinite scalability and the ability to take down channels when needed. Then, of course, the speed offered by our cloud playout solution can ensure that customers aren't bogged down with lengthy shipping periods and long setup times. The outputs offered by Cosmos ensure that customers, whether through satellite or IP, can get their content to where it needs to be. Most recently, PlayBox Technology have partnered up with the SRT Alliance to offer SRT outputs throughout the Cosmos range. A typical cloud playout workflow is highly structured and automated to ensure seamless playout. It often begins with playlists and schedules being sent to a remote cloud playout solution from a broadcast centre's traffic grid, incorporated with a media asset management system. The media asset management system makes any requests for missing media and subtitle files that are needed for playout. Ingest requests, formats, and resolutions are all taken care of automatically. Then, the required content is uploaded. Remote playout can then begin using the playlist. Now I'd just like to quickly run through the services that we provide as a company alongside Cosmos. PlayBox Technology offers 24/7 support for Cosmos, which is accessible through email, telephone, online chat, WhatsApp, and through our knowledge base, which is a self-service centre that handles frequently asked questions and gives customers the chance to ask questions to other PlayBox users. Our annual software maintenance, or ASM, is a license that enables any updates, upgrades, and unlimited technical support queries to be provided to customers. For our software as a service products, the ASM is included within the monthly rate. For any perpetual or one-off licenses, the ASM is an additional cost that is compulsory for the first year and optional thereafter. And just to finish off on, we want to reiterate that Cosmos can be as customised as a customer would like it to be. And that doesn't just cover branding and user interface changes. Cosmos functions as a unique ecosystem that ensures interoperability and third-party integrations are all possible. If you would like some more information or to book a free online demonstration or free trial, please do get in touch via our website, playboxtechnology.com. Alternatively, feel free to reach out via the contact details on this slide. Thank you very much.